Jose de Castro. I hear you right now. Vacate right now or you'll be arrested.
Oh, God. Oh, that never gets old. Okay, guys, so it's been all over Blue Bacon's page, Team Skeptic, Artie's Corporate Fiction. Everybody has covered this. Delete Lawz got arrested. Now, he got out just a little bit after he got booked in. He bonded out. It was like a $1,500 bond. So, he's out. But I'm going to pick up with a little bit of an update. He's deciding now that he's going to go to court, which that happened today. But when he got out, he made a video yesterday morning about shield law in Ohio. He's got that completely wrong, as always. And he's going to file a Rep. 11 action against the police department and petition the court to get his phone back. It's not going to go so well for him in court today. He's already put a video out. He didn't get his phone back. We're going to go into this here in just a little bit. Stick around.
Okay. I'm live now on YouTube. Can you guys see me? And do they hear your voice? Because I just have to make a public announcement here that the Ironton police are violating the shield law, and I'm going down to file a Rep. 11 action that they are violating the Ohio State Constitution, and they don't have the proper legal recourse to take my phone. They don't have that right, because I am a reporter.
If you're a reporter, I'm Cinderella's fairy godmother.
And according to the Ohio State law, I hope you guys can still see. I don't know if they can see me when I go from tab to tab, but I have to make this. The only thing that works is letting the criminal justice system know that everybody's watching, that they're violating their own laws. And that's what's going on.
No, they didn't. They didn't violate their own laws. And in the words of Team Skeptic, you're an idiot.
So I'm heading over to the Ironton Police Department to notify them of their illegal activities. I mean, let me ask you guys a question real quick. So if I switch to another tab on my computer, can you still see me or hear me on the live? So I'm going to click over right here. Can you still hear what I'm saying? And you can still see me? Then they can probably hear you too, so just be careful what you say. So this here, if now in the comment section below, I put a link, and it says here, confidential or non-confidential information the Constitution protects has been held to cover non-published, non-broadcast information.
Hey, Chili, or should I call you Maria or Jose? You know, I'm kind of confused. Let me go ahead. Open your mouth, insert your foot. You just shot your defense in the foot, dude. Literally. Come on. Unproduced, unpublished. I think the video footage that you have that you broadcast to YouTube through a live stream of you criminally trespassing in a government building doesn't fall under unpublished, unbroadcast, or unproduced material. It's already been produced, published, and broadcast for the whole world to see.
Example, reporters' notes, drafts, outtakes, even if no confidential source is involved. and in this case, there are confidential sources involved. And then it says, compare published and or non-published material. The constitutional protection has been held to cover non-published, non-broadcast information.
Do you not hear the words that are coming out of your own mouth? Non-broadcast, non-published material? You broadcast yourself criminally trespassing in a government building after business hours had been finished for the day. You video live streamed yourself breaking the law. It's not unpublished. It's not unbroadcasted. It's broadcasted live for everybody to see, like Monday Night Football.
And then it says and then all the way down here where you keep reading it, the language of the Shield statute is very broad. Any person engaged in the work of or connected with or employed by any broadcaster or newspaper is covered. And then it has a code, and you can read it, RC. The news gatherer must be acting in the course or the scope of employment for the privilege to apply. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Do I have to help you out all the time, Chili? No, you weren't acting as a reporter at that point in time. Reporters don't go into a government building after business hours and take over the lobby of that building and say, we're not leaving unless you arrest us. Use your head, bro. An actual reporter, oh, well, they're closed for the day. Yeah, let's go home. They're not going to protest.
Exactly. No person engaged in the work of connected to or employed by any non-commercial education or commercial radio broadcasting station or any non-commercial education or commercial television broadcasting station or network for the purpose of gathering, procuring, compelling, editing, disseminating, publishing, or broadcasting news shall be required to disclose the source of any information procured or obtained by such person in the course of his employment, in any legal proceeding, trial, or investigation before any court, grand jury, petit jury.
Got a little tongue-tied there, did we, huh?
Or any officer thereof, before the presiding officer of any tribunal or his agent, or before any commission, department, division, bureau, or county or municipal officer, or thereof. No person engaged in the work of connected with the employment of a newspaper or press. Now, for them to be able to steal my phone, by the way, they steal everybody's phones. This is a very common thing. They're stealing your phone and taking your data and then seeing who you connect to and then trying to investigate people. This is illegal. You are violating the Ohio state law. In order for them to overcome the privilege, a party, the Ironton Police Department that took my phone for disorderly conduct, right? A party must show that the information was relevant. So in other words, the live stream I was doing could not be obtained from an alternative source. You guys really made a mistake, because now all auditors across America, there's a bunch of auditors covering the story of Ironton now. So you could have got it from somewhere else, and it's also posted online.
True. They could have gotten it from somewhere else, Chili, by maybe going to your YouTube channel. But, you see, here's the thing. That law doesn't apply because what you did was an actual broadcasted material live to the internet, to your YouTube channel. It's not unpublished. It's not unbroadcasted material. They were after the broadcasted material. So therefore, this little law that you're quoting doesn't apply.
So that means you don't need my phone to get the confidential informants information is what you're really trying to do. Okay. In order to overcome a privilege, the Ironton police must show the information was relevant and could not be obtained from alternative source, and furthered a compelling need. Before a defendant in a criminal proceeding is entitled to either newspaper confidential information or confidential source, the defendant must first demonstrate to the court that either the newspaper or the confidential source has relevant evidence regarding the defendant's guilt or innocence, right? If I'm disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, criminal trespass, you don't need my phone to prove whether I'm guilty or innocent. You see, you don't have that privilege. I hold the privilege.
And the judge's answer? Wrong, Chili. You do not have the privilege to hold on to your phone. Because, again, it's not material that was not broadcasted that was of value to them on your phone. It's not unpublished material on your phone that's of value to them. They're after the video footage of you committing a criminal act, i.e., criminal trespass and disorderly conduct within the government building after the hours of business had ended for the day. Which, if you go back and watch the full video, I don't include any of the video here. You can go to Chili's channel and watch the 4-hour live stream. He was told multiple times by people, hey, we're closing. Hey, we're closed for the day. Yeah, we're peacefully protesting. That was his answer. Yeah, you don't get to do that, dude. It's criminal trespass. Basically, that was them saying, hey, get the hell out of here.
Judge Waldo did not give me back my phone. I requested that he immediately write a court order that gives me my phone back. This has national implications, Mr. Waldo. I will be filing a federal civil rights lawsuit because my rights are being violated right here in Ironton, Ohio.
Wah! The cops took my phone. You're not having your rights violated, my guy. Come on. Learn actually how the law works and quit misquoting the stupid shield law in Ohio. They took your phone not to get your confidential information for your confidential informants, as you call them. They took it because you recorded your dumb self trespassing in the building. There's no civil rights violation. You're an idiot.
All auditors, your camera can be seized. You are no longer a journalist. Your camera can be taken from you. And it all centers right here in Ohio. That's why I'm moving here. This is the center of corruption. This is the center of tyranny. This is the center of no law. There's no rule of law here.
The ramblings of a madman. Oh my God. I've had enough of this moron. Guys, see you later.